Assalamu alaikum. Hello internet, welcome back to my channel. Today video is a bit different. I'm gonna show you how you can change a cabin filter, or also called pollen filter, in your Audi A6 C8. It's very easy and simple process. Audi was asking for about £250 to change this filter, and you can do it in your home like I'm doing right now for about £25, because the filter costs £25. So I will tell you step by step what kind of things you have to do. To stay with me till the end of the video. So you are at your passenger side glove box. Right underneath the glove box you can see this foam which is covering the car. So you go further down here and you feel it here, a push like that, which is here, will come out. So I will put this foam aside, and now when you look underneath here, so this white thing, this is where your pollen filter or the cabin filter is. So there's few clips which you can use to pop this out, and I'll show you how you can do it. I don't know if you can see here, there's one clip here and there's one clip here, and the third clip which is here like that, and there's a fourth clip which is here. You can see the fourth clip. And this filter will start coming out itself. Still dirty. So this is a Bosch filter which I bought from Euro Parts for £25, and so it's the same size of filter. Okay, so there's a wee arrow sitting here showing you that which way the airflow goes, and you can see, I put the light here, that all you have to do is you just push it in back the way the other filter was up there, and it was just fit in like these one. And to do this you put this side first and then rest of the clips. Yeah, so one clip is in, is one here, this one is in, this one here, and there's one here. As you can see, in this process I have hurt my nail. So this is all secure, and that's it. So that's the cabin filter is changed. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you another time with another video. Bye bye.